This short video is about how we achieve an excellent appearance for our synthetic teak. Look at this finished panel, made according to the template. It looks good, but you can improve it with sanding. For sanding, you can use sandpaper for wood with a grit of 60 or 80. If you do not plan to seal around the panel with caulk, you can round the edges of the panel to make them more comfortable for feet and to give a more natural appearance. Do not apply too much pressure on the sander and do not stay in one spot while sanding. Now let's take a look at the result. The panel's texture looks more natural, yet it remains rough enough to maintain its anti-slip properties. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like it please. And feel free to ask your questions in the comments.